Hi, I'm Will.
I'm Max.
I'm Mike, and this is Bob, the new way to wash for men.
The men's body wash industry has not changed in 50 years.
Toxic ingredients,
Plastic waste,
dropping the soap,
boring brands,
And lost body wash through fingers have all dominated the industry for far too long.
As three ordinary men who shower daily, we got so frustrated with all these problems that we decided it was time to revolutionise the men's body wash industry.
With over 1.4 billion plastic body wash bottles thrown away from our showers every single year, we wanted to develop a sustainable, refillable alternative to plastic body wash bottles.
So welcome to Bob, a refillable body wash for men. With so many problems to tackle, we went back to the drawing board to develop a product that men love to use every day in the shower. The first stage of our design process was to develop the refillable applicator.
The development included making sure the product was 100% waterproof so it would not leak in your wash bag, your kit bag or your holiday bag.
We also combined washing with scrubbing and introduced medical grade bristles to help clean, foam and exfoliate.
And finally, we spent months creating the perfect refill, making it very easy to open, clean and reload Bob.
The second stage of our design process was to create our refillable Bob bars. Our brief was simple and clean. We wanted to create the world's first refillable body wash that was good for both the skin and the planet.
Bob bars are pH balanced, toxin free and biodegradable.
Looking to the future, we already have a range of premium and sustainable scents being developed behind the shower curtain.
And we can't wait for you to try these. And we also plan to launch a female version of Bob called Bobby later in the year, and have already started work on developing our unique formulation.
Excitingly, the time has come for us to manufacture and launch Bob to the world, and we love your support.
We have a range of rewards for you to get your hands on, which include 3, 6 and 12-month bundles, a free month's worth of body wash, and even an exclusive shower holder for Bob. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn more about Bob, and we hope you're as excited as we are to revolutionise the body wash industry.